Hey everyone, if you're thinking of starting an LLC in Virginia, then you're in the right place. Welcome to Simplify LLC, where we make business formation very simple. Today, we're breaking down the exact steps to legally register your LLC in Virginia. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do to get your business up and running. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you never miss out on useful business tips. Now, let's get started. Starting a business is very exciting, but making sure you're legally protected is just as important. And that's where an LLC comes in. An LLC, or limited liability company, creates a legal separation between your personal assets and your business. And that means if your business ever runs into financial trouble or legal disputes, your personal savings, house, and car are protected from being taken to pay off debts. Another major perk of forming an LLC is tax flexibility. Unlike corporations, which are subject to double taxation, most LLCs operate as pass-through entities, meaning business income is reported on your personal tax return. And this can simplify your tax situation and potentially save you money. On top of that, Virginia has a thriving business environment, making it a great place to launch and grow your company. Now, choosing a business name might seem simple, but Virginia has a few rules that you need to follow. Your LLC's name must include limited liability company or an abbreviation like LLC or L.C. to clearly indicate your business structure. It also needs to be unique, meaning that it can't be the same as or too similar to an existing business in Virginia. To check availability, you can use the Virginia State Corporation Commission's business name search tool on their website. If you found the perfect name, but aren't quite ready to file your LLC paperwork, you can reserve it for 120 days by submitting a name reservation request to the state. This costs $10 and ensures that no one else takes your business name while you get everything else in order. Virginia law requires every LLC to have a registered agent. This is a person or company responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of your business. The registered agent must have a physical street address in Virginia. PO boxes are not allowed and must be available during business hours. You can act as your own registered agent if you meet these requirements, or you can hire a professional registered agent service. And many business owners choose a registered agent service to keep their personal address private and ensure that they never miss important paperwork. These services usually cost between $100 and $250 per year, but they handle all legal notices and official documents for you. Now, to legally register your LLC, you need to file the Articles of Organization with the Virginia State Corporation Commission, or SCC. This document officially creates your business and includes important details such as your LLC's name, principal business address, registered agent information, and whether your LLC will be managed by its members or designated managers. You can file your Articles of Organization online through the SCC's Clerks Information System, or CIS, or send a paper application by mail. The filing fee is $100, and online applications are usually processed faster than mailed ones. Once approved, your LLC is officially recognized by the state, and you can move on to the next steps. Now, although Virginia doesn't legally require an operating agreement, having one is a very smart move. An operating agreement is a legal document that outlines how your LLC will be managed, how profits and losses are distributed, and what happens if a member leaves the company. Even if you're running a single member LLC, having this document helps prove that your business is separate from your personal assets, which can be important for maintaining your liability protection. If you have business partners, an operating agreement is even more essential because it clearly defines ownership percentages and decision-making processes, helping prevent future disputes. Next up, an employer identification number, or EIN, is like a social security number for your business. It is issued by the IRS and is required if you plan to hire employees, open a business bank account, or file business taxes. Applying for an EIN is free and can be done quickly online through the IRS website. The process only takes a few minutes, and once approved, you'll get your EIN instantly. One of the most important things that you can do to protect your LLC's legal status is to separate your personal and business finances. The best way to do this is by opening a business bank account. Most banks will require your EIN, articles of organization, and possibly your operating agreement to open an account. And keeping your personal and business funds separate not only protects your LLC's liability status, but also makes bookkeeping and tax filing much easier. Many banks offer low-cost or free business checking accounts, so it's worth shopping around for the best fit. And taxes might not be the most exciting part of running a business, but they are something that you cannot ignore. And the good news is that Virginia LLCs don't have to pay a state-level LLC tax like in some other states. However, depending on how your LLC is structured, you may still have to pay state income tax, sales tax, or payroll taxes if you have employees. Most LLCs in Virginia are automatically taxed as pass-through entities, meaning the profits and losses are reported on the owner's personal tax return. However, some business owners choose to have their LLC taxed as an S corporation to potentially reduce self-employment taxes. It's always a good idea to talk to a tax professional to determine the best tax setup for your business. Once your LLC is up and running, you will need to file an annual report every year to keep your business in good standing. This report updates your business information with the state and ensures that your LLC remains active. Virginia's annual report is due by the last day of your LLC's anniversary month each year. The filing fee is $50 and it can be submitted online through the SEC's Clerk's Information System. If you forget to file, your LLC could face penalties or even be dissolved by the state, so make sure to set a reminder. Starting an LLC is very exciting, but it also comes with a lot of paperwork, and that's where Simplify LLC can help. Whether you need assistance checking your business name, filing your LLC paperwork, or acting as your registered agent, we've got you covered. And that is it. Everything you need to start an LLC in Virginia. If you're ready to take that next step, check out simplifyllc.com for even more guides and expert support. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. We love helping small business owners like you succeed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.